In the heart of Bangka Island lies a hidden village, weaving harmony between nature, culture, and the flavors of life. This is Namang Village, a place where tradition is passed down, nature is preserved, and the future is built together. Here stands an endemic forest that is the pride of its people, the Kepulauan forest. More than just the lungs of the village, this forest is home to a unique ecosystem of bees, producing both sweet and bitter honey with a distinctive taste. Through the Kelulut honey tasting tour, visitors are invited to savor fresh honey straight from the hive. Guided by warm-hearted local farmers, each with stories to tell. Kelulut honey, rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties, not only nourishes the body, but awakens an awareness that protecting nature is part of protecting life itself. Not far from the forest, an age-old tradition is still preserved with deep respect. One of them is Nusung Panen Madu, a ceremonial harvest of wild honey from the forest, done with great care and gratitude. A rare experience that not only educates, but also touches the heart, connecting people with nature and the legacy of their ancestors. Namang is also known as a center for premium organic melons. At the Ninta Farm greenhouse, visitors can pick fresh golden aroma or sweet net melons, straight from the vine. Managed with modern hydroponics and advanced irrigation systems, this agro-tourism experience is not only fun, but also an inspiring lesson in sustainable farming. Just beyond the melon fields, stretches of lush green rice paddies paint the village landscape, more than a source of high-quality red rice. This area offers a rice field agro-tourism experience, inviting visitors to witness the planting and harvesting of rice. A perfect place to relax, learn local wisdom, and deepen awareness of the importance of food security. No journey to Namang is complete without savoring the warmth of its coffee. Robusta and Liberica beans grow naturally in local farms, producing a distinct flavor, with deep aroma and strong character, reflecting the soul of a village that is simple, yet full of spirit. Namang also welcomes spice lovers through its pepper farm tours. Here, visitors can learn directly from local farmers, planting and harvesting pepper by hand. Beyond that, the village's fertile lands yield chilies, lettuce, papaya, corn and lemons, all grown organically, making Namang a healthy, independent and empowered community.
Namang's economic strength grows from the creativity of its people. Local MSMEs produce outstanding products such as honey, pepper, and Namang's signature coffee. With support from the Regional Office of the Directorate General of Treasury of the Bangka Belitung Islands Province, the village's potential continues to flourish through the Inclusive Financial Ecosystem Village Program and public financial education. The Merah Putih Cooperative empowers residents to manage local produce, strengthen marketing, and build an economy rooted in cooperation. Today, Namang's people are not only participants, but owners of every value chain in their village's economy.
Namang's young generation stand rooted in tradition, yet open to innovation. They are not just heirs, but guardians of the future, carrying the legacy of their ancestors toward progress. This is Namang, a village that protects nature, preserves heritage, and plants hope for a sustainable and self-reliant Indonesia. Come, feel, and take home the stories of Namang, where nature and humanity live in harmony.
Dari desa,
Kita bisa.